Hey guys, it is Julie here with JT.Wealth. In today's video, we are going to take a look at 4 different penny stocks. So let's get into it. Alright guys, welcome back and thank you so much for being here. Today's video looks a little different than my normal setup as I am on vacation. However, that is not going to stop us from talking about stocks. Specifically today, we are looking at 4 different penny stocks. So I was doing some research into different penny stocks and came across 2 that I thought looked like they could potentially be some good buys. And then when I was finishing up my research, an article came out about billionaire Stephen Cohen pulling the trigger on 2 other penny stocks. And taking a look at those 2 penny stocks, they also offered some pretty serious upside potential. So I decided that we're going to take a look at both those, plus the 2 I'd previously researched, giving us 4 new penny stocks to look at today. And just before we dive into those, this is just your friendly reminder that if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you give us a big thumbs up and make sure to leave your thoughts in the comments down below as well. Also, if you like free stocks, make sure to check out some of the links down below in our description. Right now, Webull is offering 4 free stocks for signing up and funding a new account, so make sure to check them out. One other quick side note before I start getting comments that I'm slamming a Red Bull during my videos now, this is actually a canned red wine that I'm trying today as I don't have my normal wine and wine glasses, and that is what was available in my hotel lobby. Okay, now let's get into these penny stocks, starting off with the 2 recently chosen by Stephen Cohen. Now, he is a legendary stock picker with a long career in investing. In 2014, his investment operations were converted to Point72 Asset Management, a 1,500 plus person registered investment advising firm. Throughout his career, Cohen has consistently delivered huge returns to his clients, giving the Point72 chairman, CEO, and president guru-like status on the street. So the first company that we are taking a look at today is COCP Pharma. They trade under the ticker COCP and today are at $1.28 per share. Of course, upon news of Stephen Cohen's interest in the company, we have seen a 46% rise just today. Working to bring targeted solutions to market, COCP Pharma develops antiviral therapeutics for the treatment of serious or chronic viral diseases, including influenza, hepatitis C, gastroenteritis caused by norovirus, as well as the ronironavirus. Based on the progress of its pipeline, and at the time it's 84 cents per share, some see significant gains in their future. And among those with high hopes is Stephen Cohen, who purchased about $2.5 million worth for Point72. A 5-star analyst from H.C. Wainwright tells clients to focus on COCP's achievements over the last few months. In August, preclinical animal studies of ronivirus antiviral compounds, which constituted possible development candidates for the company, were published in the medical journal Science Translational Medicine. It should be noted that as per license agreements with Kansas State University Research Foundation, COCP has an exclusive royalty-bearing right and license to certain antiviral compounds for humans and small molecule inhibitors against the ronivirus. Currently, there are 2 analysts who have covered COCP stock, and both have rated the company as a buy. Now, the average price target comes in at $4.75, with the high end being $5. After the rise in the stock price today, that now represents about a 274% upside. Second on our list today is DMAC Therapeutics. They trade under the ticker DMAC and actually broke above the $5 price point today, currently sitting at $5.27 per share. Again, after news of Stephen Cohen's interest in the company, they saw about a 26% increase. DMAC is committed to developing novel therapeutics for patients with serious and life-threatening diseases. DMAC's lead candidate, DM199, is being evaluated in phase 2 clinical trials for the treatment of several chronic and acute diseases. They primarily focus on chronic kidney disease and acute ischemic stroke. Looking at the market opportunity, there are roughly 690,000 strokes in the US per year, of which 87% are deemed ischemic strokes. Additionally, in the US, 90% of acute ischemic stroke patients receive palliative care. Based on one analyst's estimates, if half of patients on palliative care are treated with DM199, AIS could be a $3 to $5 billion opportunity for DMAC in the US. Currently, there are 2 analysts who have rated DMAC Therapeutics. and it is currently sitting at a moderate buy with 2 buy ratings. Now, the average price target comes in at $15, which represents a 183% upside. So Cohen's firm bought up about 800,000 shares of DMAC for about $3.4 million. But now we're moving on to 2 other penny stocks that were picked by yours truly. And the first one that we're going to take a look at is GEVO. They trade under the ticker GEVO and are currently sitting at about $2.14 per share. Now, GEVO is a renewable energy stock and is a creator of biofuels. They are focused on creating the next generation of fuels, and that includes their own offerings of gasoline, jet fuel, and diesel fuel. Unlike traditional fossil fuels, the company's products create much fewer carbon emissions, and GEVO believes that its fuels will be able to reduce carbon emissions from fuels to zero. The company also notes that its fuels perform as well or better in engines as traditional fossil fuels do. Now, the company isn't just focused on the creation of greener fuels. It also works on creating types of plastics, including polyester, that is made with sustainable ingredients. Now, with President-elect Joe Biden being definitely more green-friendly, companies like GEVO are starting to get a lot more attention. Currently, there are 2 analysts with ratings on GEVO, and both are currently rating it a buy. The average price target comes in at $3.53. From its current price, that represents just shy of a 64% potential upside. The high-end target is $5, which would represent about 135% potential upside. Last up on our list today is Platinum Group Metals Limited. They trade under the ticker PLG, currently at $2.28 per share. Platinum Group Metals is a mining company focused on the production of platinum and palladium. Their projects are located in South Africa, surrounded by 70% of the world's platinum production. So they mine the raw materials that are required for electric vehicles, especially in their batteries. And of course, we know right now that the EV market is booming. In 2019, the company founded Lion Battery Technologies in partnership with Anglo American Platinum Limited to support the use of palladium and platinum in lithium battery applications. What's more is that in October, the U.S. Patent Trademark Office issued a patent entitled Battery Cathodes for Improved Stability to Florida International University. Under a sponsored agreement, Lion holds exclusive rights to all technology being developed by FIU, included patents granted. The patent includes the use of platinum group metals and carbon nanotubes, among other things, in a lithium battery. Currently, there are 2 analysts who have rated PLG, and they currently both rate PLG as a buy. Now, the average price target is $3.48, representing about a 51% upside. On the high end, we have a target of $5.44, which would be closer to a 140% potential upside. So there we have a few affordable stocks with some pretty exciting potential upside. Of course, keep in mind with any stock, anytime there is high reward, there is also high risk. So always make sure to do plenty of due diligence before getting into any trade. And keep in mind that these videos are never a suggestion to buy or sell any specific stock, but are just meant for information and entertainment purposes. So any trading should always be done based on your own research and due diligence. On that note, I would love to hear from you guys in the comments down below. What do you think of these 4 stocks? And are there any other penny stocks out there that you have your eye on? I always love hearing from you guys, so please make sure to leave it down below in the comments. If you made it all the way to the end of the video here, make sure you give us a big thumbs up and that you're subscribed to the channel as well. I hope you all have a fantastic day. Thank you so much for watching, and cheers.